Welcome to our demo. So now you are able to see the Office Suite A, which is nothing but we are covering your project management and office compliance, everything. You can able to manage your office project and employees from end to end business requirement, which is nothing but you can able to create the company. Under the company you can able to create the project client, and then you can able to onboard the resources with related to the necessary information, and we can run the projects. I'm going to walk through from the beginning to the end how our Office Suite A product will be helpful for your day-to-day business. Yes, initially I'm able to log into the product with admin, super admin especially. Okay, and then I can able to create. Okay, here the first initial step which we want to do is create the company. Basically we are creating your company details here, and the company got created with all the necessary information. And then once you are created the company, we have to create your specific admin for this company, for your specific company. Okay, it will be reflecting here your created company, and then create the admin for your company, selecting your specific company, because this person is the next layer of person you are given the full rights to create the remaining responsibilities. Okay, once you are created the company and then the admin through super admin, then I'm going towards the admin role. Okay, so I can able to log into the admin role. Okay, so then this particular admin, once we are logged in with the admin for the company, see here, first of all you will able to see your proper company details. Okay, so once you are seeing the proper company details, and then you can able to see your other information. The immediate thing is you have to create the settings. Go to settings, keep your system settings, HR leave, compliance, notifications, KYC document, everything are able to possible to create from here. See here, yeah, you can able to create all these necessary informations. Okay, and then once you are created all these settings, okay, including the KYC document, notifications, compliance, everything. And then even if you want to create any other users like audit user, other users also possible under this particular role. Okay, so you can able to say create a manager, employee, or audit, because under admin only these are all the users possible. Okay, so once you are created this information, then the admin actually has to create the manager role employee, and then he will be associated with that project and the client. Okay, so once he is done with that particular one, okay, and the current client and the project, we can able to create. Okay, and then all the account details. Okay, once the manager role here is created, especially here this is the person manager. Okay, so academy manager, then we have to log in with the manager role. Okay, so this is the manager role. Come back and log into the manager, because as per the admin, the main criteria all are like he can able to create the settings and the manager role. Okay, and then after that I'm coming back. Okay, so and even they can able to create even one more thing, which they can able to create the project. Okay, a project and the client also from the admin. And once those things are completed, then we are now going with the manager role. Okay, and then log into the manager role. Then the manager can able to see the whatever the client or the projects created by the admin. Okay, and or if not by the admin, and then even the manager can able to create the project and the client is also possible. Okay, either from the admin or the client, or admin or the manager can able to create the project and the client. Okay, so once this is created, okay, then we have the task board to create the task, specific task. And then the manager can able to create all the other employees, like here, see here, he can able to create the other employees by linking the all the details. And the employment also we have, like whether this person is the sponsored employee or non-sponsored employee. Accordingly the mandatory details are gathered, then address, next of kin, KYC document, okay, what are all mandatory document, and then the accounts are created. Okay, then the employee can also able to log in to that particular login, and then he can work. So even this person, even we can have the manager can also log to his leave. Okay, he can apply the leave and then he can submit the leave, or the other persons or anyone able to already submitted the leave also, it will be available for the manager approvals. Okay, so anything is pending, this is pending, that's what it is reflecting to the manager review and approval. Either he can able to approve the leave or reject the leave. Okay, and even the manager can also apply the leave on behalf of him, okay, for his individual leave management. And timesheet also he can able to log into the timesheet. Okay, so now he can able to log in his own timesheet, and this already timesheets are reflected for the team. For the timesheet also, this person can able to review the timesheet and he can able to approve or reject the timesheet. Okay, so that is possible completely. And then the even the individual or the team can able to check in, check out his timesheet. Okay, now already this person is checked in. Okay, I'm pausing it and then I'm resuming it, and then I can able to check out. See here, this is now checkout. And even if I want to check in again, I can able to check in, start checking the hours. So it will be counted. So check in, checkout also, like from where we are able to checking in, check out, whether from office, home, client side, everything is recorded appropriately. Yeah. So now the HR policies, we have the all the as per the company, we can able to add all the HR policies document and the holiday calendar. Okay, so everything is able to available here, right? And then you can able to go to the right. Okay, so here we have all the other proper appropriate information, and we have the task board, so that you can able to see all the task which is applicable for this project, and they can move from one status to the another status, and they can able to handle all the, this is nothing but like a Jira board or the task board. Okay, normally we'll able to have the stand-up call in front of the task board. Okay, everything is possible here, end-to-end project management suite. Okay, right? So now I'm able to go with the employee credentials. Okay, so this is the employee credential. So he can able to see his dashboard, which is nothing but how many days leaves, everything is available, and even I can able to navigate to this particular individual detail also. Okay, from here navigation is available, and then we are able to see only that particular employee because we are in the exact employee login details, and he can able to see only his project, only his task board, and he can create the task and he can able to work on the task. Everything is possible. Okay, so leave management is available. Okay, he can able to log into his leave timesheet, check in, check out, the same thing applicable for the employee to check in, check out, and he can view the policies, holiday calendar, notifications. So all are applicable here. Yeah, this is the end to end. And one more thing, more interesting part which I have to show you is the audit user, where the audit user is nothing but he can able to see. Okay, so the audit user you are able to see, especially here you can able to see how many are sponsored employee, how many are non-sponsored employee. And if you are going to this particular individual here, you can able to drill down to the sponsored or non-sponsored. Here I have selected as sponsored, so all the sponsored employee, and even you can able to see the non-sponsored employee. Okay, and then even both also applicable based on your interest. Okay, suppose if you want to view the detailed individual, we can go back and then see all the necessary information here. Okay, and the documents associated, and even you can able to review the documents here. Everything is possible. Okay, and then how many days this person got the leave and the time sheet, everything we can able to track from the audit view. Yes, see here. Then the organization chart, how this person is associated with the organization chart is applicable, and the HR policies, leave management, once again on the audit, Okay, you can able to drill down, and the time sheets, everything are applicable in the audit view. Clocking, and what is the approval and total number of hours, everything project associated, and the people and the clients. So all the end-to-end office suite with respect to from the company to the project to the day-to-day life, on the project management and approval, on the time sheet, leave management, and all the end-to-end workflow and the functionalities are available in the office suite AA. Please refer this recording, and we are happy to take it up forward for your implementation to your company based on your requirement. So thanks for reaching us and giving the opportunity to serve you, and we are happy to take it up further calls with you. Thank you.